Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a few of the apps that I like to use for productivity and organization. The first app that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is my Google Calendar, and I have mentioned this app in previous videos, but I absolutely love using my Google Calendar. I'm also going to be sharing with you a few of the features that really helps me to save on time and of course increase my productivity. Now I want to show you how it is you can display a secondary time zone on your Google Calendar. You're going to go to your settings, and then you're going to look for the section time zone right here, and the first option is display secondary time zone. Right beside it there's a checkbox. You're gonna have to enable it in order to select the secondary time zone that you want to display in your Google Calendar. And this is very helpful if it is that you constantly have to schedule meetings with other persons in a other time zone. So this will just help you to know what time it is for them and what time it is for you, so that there is no mishaps or confusion when the meeting time comes. Now, I am an advocate for time blocking, and this is exactly what I'm showing you here. I am time blocking some time to film this exact YouTube video in my calendar, so that I know that when this time comes, I should be doing nothing else but filming. Next, I will be sharing with you a few shortcuts that you can utilize in Google Calendar. And the first one is to hit the letter C on your keyboard to populate a new event screen. And this just saves you a little bit of time when you want to create a new event or schedule a new meeting in your calendar. Now, we're currently looking at the weekly spread, but if you want to see the daily spread, you just have to hit the letter D and it will populate this spread for you. I currently have 2 daily spreads because I have been delegated a calendar, but for you, you will just see the 1 daily spread. To go back to the weekly spread, you just have to hit W, and to see the monthly spread, just hit the letter M. Another feature that I want to share with you guys is how to have a daily agenda sent to your email each day. So you're going to go to your settings and you are going to select that specific calendar that you want the agenda to be sent for. Under the settings for that calendar, you're going to select other notifications. Once that populates, you are going to look for daily agenda, which is the very last one, and you're going to select email. And that is going to send you a daily agenda for every single thing for that specific calendar to your email each day. The last feature I want to share with you guys is how to populate a new event screen if you're not in your Google Calendar. And all you have to do is type cal.new in your browser and it auto-populates a new event screen for you. Moving on to the next app, which is the clock app on my phone. And I especially love the timer when I am utilizing the Pomodoro method when working. Now, there is a Gmail app, but I'm going to be showing you some features on the desktop version. And the first one is scheduling an email to be sent out at a later date. And of course, you're going to first write the email, but instead of hitting send, you're going to click the arrow and hit schedule send. It will populate a screen for you to schedule the date and time for this email to go out. Then you're going to look under the scheduled tab on the left side of your screen and you're going to see the email that you've scheduled to be sent out. The next feature that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is how to create templates. So you're going to go to your settings, then you're going to hit advanced, then you're going to look for templates and enable that, then click save. I've already done that. So the next step is to compose a new email, and then you're going to create the template that you want to save. Now, once you've written the email, you're gonna select the three dots and hit templates. Then you're gonna select save draft as new template and then save as new template. You're gonna create a title for your template and hit save. Now this app is self-explanatory, but I do love utilizing my notes app on my phone for list taking, and I usually create my shopping lists in this app. I usually create to-do lists sometimes in this app, and also even a list of the different shots or clips that I would like to capture for a particular YouTube video. I would like to create lists for that as well. Any type of lists I love creating using my notes app. The final application that I'm sharing with you guys today is Notion. So this is my workspace. I have a folder dedicated to blog posts, and I basically just create pages for each blog post that I'm working on, and I'll just write them there. I also have a similar folder for videos where I write out my scripts for each video that I'm planning to film for YouTube. I also document a little bit of work-related items here. So I have a folder for general management and also for marketing and sales. But let's move on to my task manager page. I have created a few pages in this folder, but I mainly use my daily to-do list page. And in this page, I basically have a non-negotiable section where I put 2 to 3 non-negotiables for the day, and I have a spiritual section because those are just another segment of non-negotiables. And then below that I have a segment or section rather, for my daily to-do list. So I either document my to-do list here or in my notes app. And this is my dashboard in Notion, and I just host some quick links here so that I don't have to go into the particular folders to get access to these particular pages. And the final folder that I will share is my personal development folder, and I just host everything personal here, from routines to Spanish notes and my Italian notes to goals. And that brings us to the end of my Notion setup and the end of this video. So I just want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on post notifications to be alerted whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.